Okay, welcome to the second week video of the Abbie and JJ 2016 litter. I'm going to do the puppies in their birth order, and we'll try to keep them in this order the whole time. This is Mr. Tan Collar. He is, like all the other puppies in this litter, a black wavy. You can see he has a little bit of white on some of his toes. Tiny little triangle on his little chest. He just had a snack, so he is kind of sleepy. Right now these puppies are about 20 to 30 ounces. So that's Tan Collar. I have Abbie's over here with the puppies right next to me here. Here's Mr. Purple. Purple has a little white stripe on his chest. He has some white toes on the tips of his toes. Suck on fingers at this age. So this is Mr. Purple. Next, if I can find him, we have Mr. Blue Collar. Here you can see his blue collar. He also has just a little bit of white on his toes. Really no or very little white on his chest. Guess he has a little white on his chin. That's Mr. Blue. Next, we have the red collared boy. This one just has white on one of his toes, really on his back, and he has no black on him at all. Or I'm sorry, no white on his chest at all. Mr. Red, he's looking for his lunch. Mr. Red. Next we have brown collared boy. Brown collared boy. He has a tiny bit of white on his chest and his toes. I don't know if you can see it. Again, I was looking for something to suck on. Nice boy. Next, puppy number 6 was our first girl. This is yellow collared girl. She again has very little white just on the tips of her toes. Get you a good look at her. girl. Next, we have baby blue collared boy, baby blue collar. Again, white on the tips of his toes. Now he has more white on his chest than almost anybody in this litter anyway. Here, give him something to do here. Keep him busy. See this nice boy. Baby blue boy. Next, right over here, we have green boy. Again, white right on the tips of his toes. Tiniest bit of white on his chest. Green boy. Green collared boy. Next, we have orange. Go Giants, orange. Almost no white, white right on the tips of his toes. He's pretty mellow. He must still be sleeping. Mr. Orange. And finally, number 10, our second girl, Miss Pink. Miss Pink has a little white stripe on her chest, white toes. Miss Pink. Pink. So that's it for our first video of the puppies. They're about 10 days old, 10 or 12 days old. Hope you enjoy it, and we'll see you next week.